Can you wave to Grandma? Hi, Grandma. Hi. Let's go back under the covers in the tent. Come on. Let's go in the tent. Oh, boy. Do-do-do. What? Oh! What? What is? What? What's that? What is it? What is it? What is it? Hmm? Where are we going? Oh, you're looking for the tag? And you found it too. Somebody must be sleepy. The lizard tongue is going overtime. Sleepy, sleepy, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo.
Dad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Grandma, try it. You do it. Jordan, do it. With the book?
Yeah.
You want to draw?
Yeah.
Yeah? Ooh, 2 colors at once. Wow. Which color is this? Purple? Can you do the purple?